Welcome to a thrilling journey into the world of homeopathy, with our deep dive into Aconitum napellus, commonly known as aconite. Today we're uncovering the shocking and potent effects of this remarkable remedy. If you've ever been gripped by sudden fear, or faced the fiery onset of a fever, stay tuned because what we're about to reveal will change the way you think about acute conditions. Before we delve into the heart of aconite's power, let me tease you with this. By the end of this video, you'll discover a historical twist that links this plant to ancient warriors and how they exploited its fearsome reputation. But first, let's understand what aconite really is. Aconitum napellus, a plant steeped in mystery and lore, is more than just a pretty flower. Its dark blue blossoms hide a potent force, one that has been both feared and revered through the ages. Native to the mountainous regions of Europe, aconite has been a staple in homeopathic medicine for its rapid action in acute conditions. In the realm of homeopathy, aconite is the king of remedies for sudden, intense, and violent health disturbances. Picture this. A perfectly healthy person steps out into a cold, dry wind and suddenly, within hours, they're battling a high fever, intense thirst and restlessness. Aconite is the hero that swoops in to alleviate these symptoms, showcasing its prowess in treating shock and acute fever. But what makes aconite so effective in these scenarios? It's all about its action on the sympathetic nervous system, sparking a quick response to stressors and helping the body regain its balance swiftly. Its ability to mitigate the initial stages of inflammation makes it a go-to remedy for conditions that arise suddenly, ensuring that symptoms don't escalate. Now you might be wondering, what does science say about aconite? While homeopathy often dances on the fringes of conventional medicine, numerous studies have pointed towards the efficacy of aconite in treating acute symptoms of fear, anxiety and fever, echoing the experiences of homeopaths over centuries. Diving into history, aconite's story is fascinating. Did you know that it was once used as a poison in hunting and warfare? Its lethal legacy might seem at odds with healing, but it's this very potency that, when harnessed correctly, provides rapid relief in acute medical situations. To bring this closer to home, let's share some compelling stories. Individuals who have turned to aconite during panic attacks or at the onset of feverish illnesses often report astonishingly quick relief. These anecdotes, backed by homeopathic principles, highlight the remedy's place in emergency kits worldwide. And remember the historical twist I mentioned earlier? Stay with us as we unveil the warrior connection. Aconite's fierce nature was not only known to ancient healers but also to warriors who harnessed its lethal strength. In the annals of history, aconite was often dubbed as the Queen of Poisons, a testament to its deadly potency. Warriors and hunters would coat their arrows and spears with aconite to ensure that even a scratch could incapacitate their foes. But it's not just about its deadly past. This same intensity, when refined through homeopathic preparation, becomes a powerful agent for healing. As we delve deeper, the transformation of aconite from a tool of war to a healing remedy is nothing short of miraculous. It exemplifies the dynamic principles of homeopathy, where the most potent substances, once feared, become sources of profound healing. This dual nature of aconite, embodying both the destructive and the curative, offers a riveting narrative on the paradoxes within nature and medicine. Wrapping up this segment on Aconitum napellus, we realize that we've only begun to uncover its vast historical and medicinal landscape. Its enduring legacy in homeopathy, surviving through centuries, showcases the enduring belief in the power of natural substances to heal and restore. Aconite's journey from ancient battles to modern-day medicine cabinets is a vivid illustration of homeopathy's transformative potential and the deep interconnections between nature and healing. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating exploration of Aconitum napellus. This journey through time, from ancient battlegrounds to the serene healing spaces of today, underscores the incredible versatility and depth of homeopathy. If this story of transformation and healing has captivated you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the hidden secrets of homeopathy. Your support helps us uncover more such mysteries and bring them to light, offering a glimpse into the profound wisdom of natural healing. Stay tuned for more eye-opening revelations in our next video. And remember, with Homeopathy Secrets, you're always on the cusp of discovering the next big secret in the world of holistic healing. The story of aconite is just the beginning. Keep watching, keep wondering, and continue exploring with us here on Homeopathy Secrets, where the past and the present converge to reveal the future of medicine.